real meaning of
Ah.
merit making.
I record you say.
Okay. What is the real meaning of merit making? Literally speaking, the word merit is translated from Pali Punna, which means cleaning or purification. To make merit is to clean greed, hatred, and delusion from one's mind. The Buddha taught his followers to make merit by means of charity, dana, morality, sila, and spiritual development, bhavana. When we know the real meaning of merit making in Buddhism, as described above, we can decide for ourselves that there are many ways and means to make merit. At any moment in one's daily life, even while sitting comfortably on a chair, trying to cleanse greed, hatred, delusion, or other mental defilement from one's mind is also reckoned as making merit.
Do you understand about the making? But now the conclusion about the making marriage, Marista read or have rest. Conclusion: the three morality, sila, morality, and meditation and wisdom. When we practice meditation, we support your body, support your mind, develop floating physical development. Physical development, your body must strong. And morality development, or morality, which means society development. Now we have the society, family, small society, from family. We must develop training. And emotion development, your mind, your insight, you call chitta niyam, like a sacred law. Dhamma niyam, like the natural law, order of the norm, the general law of cause and effect. Dhamma law of cause and effect. Same, I believe for you about the practice meditation. If some people argue, what is Buddhism? The name, the Buddhism, comes from the word Bodhi, which means to wake up, and trust Buddhism is the philosophy of awakening. Buddhism is the philosophy of awakening. This philosophy has its origin in the experience of the man Siddhartha Gautama, known as the Buddha. When he enlightened one, we call the Buddha, who was himself awakened at the age of 36. Buddhism is now 2,500 years old and has about 3 million followers worldwide. Until 100 years ago, Buddhism was merely an Asian philosophy, but increasingly it is gaining adherents in Europe and America. So Buddhism is just a philosophy. The word philosophy comes from two words. Philo, which means love, philo, love, and Sophia, which mean wisdom. Philo, love, Sophia, wisdom. So, philosophy is the love of wisdom, or love and wisdom, love of wisdom, or love and wisdom. Both meanings describing Buddhism perfectly. Buddhism teaches that we should try to develop our intelligent capacity to the full is so that we can understand clearly. It also teaches us to develop love and kindness so that we can be like a true friend to all beings. So Buddhism is a philosophy, but not just a philosophy. You confuse. Buddhism is a philosophy, but not just a philosophy. It is the supreme philosophy. The basic of the name, the Buddhism, the form Bodhi, which means awakening or enlightenment. Buddhism also, religions of love. Jesus Christ, when you help yourself, they help themselves, God help them. The sentence, the God sentence, the golden sentence, like I tell you about you must do by yourself everything. You do good, you receive good. You do many evil, receive many evil. It's the law of nature. In the Buddhism, teaching the basic, do not never do any evil.